Hello, Professor. This video is my submission for the Icebreaker Android project. Before I dive into the app, I want to sincerely apologize for the delay in submitting this. I have encountered a number of unexpected errors in my previous work on this project, which unfortunately took more time to resolve than I initially anticipated. I take full responsibility for not managing the troubleshooting process more effectively to meet the original deadline, and I appreciate your understandings. I have worked to correct those issues and complete the project, and I hope this video presentation will effectively demonstrate the work I have done. Now I'm just launching my Icebreaker application to ensure the. So here is the Icebreaker application after launching. On the screen, as you can see on the main screen, we have fields for the first name, last name, and the preferred name, a space where the question will appear, the get new question button, and the submit button. If we click the get new question, a question is fetched and displayed. For instance, it's showing, do you have any siblings? This question is loaded being loaded dynamically from the Firebase question collection. Now I came to Firebase and I'm going to my Firebase Firestore database where you can see the questions collection. I have some of the questions here which I have already stored in the database. And let's go to the Android Studio. I'm just giving my name Aditya as my preferred name, and KR is my last name. My preferred name is Aditya. I just click get a new random question and it shows what is our age. And I just enter my age here and I just submit this. I'm just Let's see if this data is stored in my database or not in the student collection. Now I'm going to my student collection right here. I just I'm just going to my Android app database to check the database here, and I'm just going to the student collection. I just give the data, the age. It is visible on my database. And now this information, the names, questions, or displayed my answer has been sent and saved to our student collections in the file store. The class identifier Android Fall 2025 is also included with the data, as you can see here in the Firebase console. Now we can add the new record. I'm just taking another new stu data, for instance. I just assume the first name as Rahul and his name is Kumar. I took the preferred name is Rahul. I'm just clicking a get new random question. A question is pop up that do you have any siblings? I just entered yes, I have two siblings and I just hit submit button. Now we can go to the Firebase in the collection section. Students, I have given the Rahul. It's a new one which is stored in the database. So the demonstrates the complete flow of getting question and submitting a response with the data being persisted correctly in Firebase. The app was developed using Kotlin for the user interface. I utilized, as mentioned, Firebase was crucial for the backend data management to use the data from the database. I hope this demonstrates my understanding of the concepts we have covered, particularly regarding Android development with Kotlins, with UI composers, where given my values, you can change the color strings and themes, everything from here. The entire main screen is done here where I have given the first name, last name and questions and answer strings. And here the main activity what we have to do in the application. And I sincerely apology for the lateness of the submission due to errors. I was working though. I value the opportunity to learn in your class, and I hope the submission, despite the delay, shows my commitment to the coursework and my efforts to resolve the technical challenges. Thank you for your time and consideration.